Just giving you a quick tour of this black carbon fiber rigger that I actually customized some. Since it's got red collars, I went ahead and used red washers everywhere, and red water line, and red water outlets, and red 90-degree antenna. Let's go to our 2-blade 4519. 2000 kV motor, 4074. Digital low profile CNC servo arm and pivot. Just check out the luster of the carbon fiber. We went with platinum booms as well.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest
Hey guys,
on the scene?
Just showing you this brand new Animal AC2E that I did for the customer. As you can see, it has our oxy drives on it. The rest of it is basically what you get with our stock boat. Let's pop the hood. Voila. Pure beauty. This customer wanted me to sign it. Of course, our beautiful tray recession. This customer also wanted our upgrade steering horn, which really cheers this boat up. There you have it. Hey guys, on the bench today we have the blue carbon fiber rigger. Check this thing out in all its luster. Such a beautiful blue. Such great craftsmanship. And yes, solid aluminum tips on those as well. This beautiful silver carbon boom. Red colors. The craftsmanship on these things are just extraordinary. Here's the hardware with the unique sliding rudder bracket. It slides back and forth to dial in your rudder offset, and that really helps in turning for racing. The strut adjusts up, down, and back and forth. There's no other riggers that have that. CNC servo mount, CNC servo horns, CNC servo clevis, 2000 kV motor. ESC and all your goodies. Rudder, turn fin. They'll actually give you two. Our newest offering is the AC2EQ. It includes the Quasar radio. As usual, our carbon Kevlar full construction, very beautiful, no one has broken one. Beautiful water outlet, push-pull cable steering. We are now including a free set of graphics while supplies last With your purchase of an AC2E or an AC2EQ 4082 motors in your choice of 1650 or 2200 kV, 200 amp ESCs, 6.5 bullet connectors, CNC servo with CNC servo horn, carbon fiber battery trays, carbon fiber electronics trays, and many, many more features. With the AC2E, you get great value from the discount on the Quasar and the free graphics. But where the true value comes in is the fact that these boats need 0 upgrades. All right, what we have here is our Dominator Mono hull and hardware. This means it is just the hull and all the parts. This is a very comprehensive kit. It is great for guys who have like another boat like a Sonic Wake or something. You can just switch your motor and ESC over and have a carbon fiber delight. It even comes with our beautiful OPS L01 servo. Full bag of hardware. Everything you need, even a prop, zip ties. And as you see here, all we've done is taken the motor ESC out of a Dominator. You get the prop, bullet, rudder, tools, water pickups, everything you need. All right, people, what we've got here is our self-riding Dominator in stunning carbon Kevlar. Look at the luster. Red hardware on the back. Our kit is so comprehensive. You get our digital CNC servo, digital CNC servo horn, water line, zip ties, everything except motor and ESC. We actually take a ready to run and simply remove the motor and ESC. You get everything. This is a #1 way to upgrade from your Sonic Wake. If you've got a Sonic Wake, all you have to do is take your motor in ESC and bolt it right in. It comes with the shaft, prop, bullet nut, everything. Hello friends, what we have here is a Dominator that I did for a customer. This one's carbon Kevlar and it's actually a self-riding Dominator. I'm going to be cutting these little holes out just before shipping it, but I actually put these graphics on complimentary because I just liked it and wanted to try it out on this one. This one's got a combination of red and silver hardware. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water. Animal twin cam. Slickest boat out, strongest boat out, fastest boat out. The Imitation won a lower class in the Nationals this year. Of course, the Dominator's been national champion ever since it's been introduced. Now let's look inside here. I have this tape on here just to get the lid off easier.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming